Right from college times, I have said a single sentence, and that's against the beautification process. I would never do facial bleaching or apply foundation or cosmetic makeup. Well, that was never required for me because that hadn't been a professional requirement for me. If it were, if it had been, I would have certainly gone ahead to undergo these four primary stages of beautification to maintain a professional setup, to maintain a professional get-up. But that was not required because I was far from fashion industry, I was far from film industry, and I was also far from an industry which required me to look really presentable, stunningly presentable. So it was not a part of my life, absolutely. But I say sorry for having used harsh language against this. On the advent of AI, artificial intelligence, when it is gonna take away the jobs of millions and around millions of hands throughout the world will beg to the Lord for the job, then I guess cosmetic industry is the best industry which can offer jobs to millions. I have changed my point of view completely. You can even say I have thrown my previous principles to acquire new set of behavioral patterns which will suit the future, I mean the near future, and here I commence the process by adopting new techniques, by keeping my mind liberal towards the utmost change which is fatal, which is most required for the single cause of survival. I have seen some videos, quite unfortunately, I cannot download them, I cannot show them for the reason of copyright because they are not free. They are they are not allowed to be shared to the outside public. Those are personal videos, so I don't want to break the rules over here for any reason. But of course, whatever I have seen, I can always express in my own words, in my own style. So there have been really millions of hands which are engaged in this process. I wish them all the best.